I just woke up late. It's 9:53, so I'm definitely getting a late start to the day, and we got a busy one for today. I still have to take all these snacks to the car, so let's do that right now. Alright, so we're on our way to the first location. It's 10:30 right now. I still have to go to Sam's Club. Yeah, today's gonna be a little bit behind, but it's alright, it happens. It'll be better tomorrow. And I ran into the gas station to pick up a Red Bull, but I came out with Bang. Everyone's been hyping it up, so I wanna see what it tastes like. Alright, fun fact. The school we're going to right now, this is actually the first time I'm collecting from it. And when I was buying the route from the previous guy, he mentioned this one school, and it turns out this is also where my mom works. So I thought that was pretty crazy, kind of a small world. Like, of all the schools and all the routes available to buy, I chose him with this school where my mom works, which is kind of funny. And actually, when I bought the route, this location was gonna want me to take out the machine because they didn't want this machine, I guess. But then they found out that I was her son. My mom's been working there for a long time, and they decided to let me keep it there. So yeah, it worked out good. It's pretty crazy. But we're about to get there and we'll see how it did. And this was a 2-week collection. So I actually saw my mom. It was kind of funny. I gave her a hug and stuff. But here is 2 weeks. Next location is about 30 minutes away, but I need to get there. I need to get it done today. So I'll be there at 11:42, which will put me at, hopefully I can at least hit up 6 locations today. All right. So I just left location number 2. I didn't film in there. A lot of the people were in the lounge, so there was a couple things that were sold out. So I filled it back up. That was a 2-week collection from there. I did pretty good. If I were to guess, I'd probably say maybe like, I don't know, 40 or 50 bucks. But I gotta go to Sam's Club right now because I'm really low on product. And then it's on to location 3. All right, so I'm in downtown Houston right now. I went into their Sam's Club, and it was packed. Like, the line to get out, the person like checking the person scanning the items at the front door was taking so long for each person. The line was literally backed up to the registers. It was crazy. So I got out of there real quick. But now I'm in downtown Houston, and I'm gonna try and make one more location with my snacks running on E, and then go to another Sam's closer to my next location. And there's a homeless guy right here. Hopefully he doesn't steal my snacks that are just laying in the back. I need to get one of these bad boys. I wouldn't have to worry about no homeless people stealing my snacks in that thing. Alright, location number 3, just got here. This was a 2-week collection also. And yeah, let's see how it does. Okay, location number 3 was a success. They were sold out of some stuff that I didn't have, but I replaced it with some other stuff and they were happy with it. So yeah, actually that location is a 2-week collection, but this is probably the best it's done, maybe. Normally that's a pretty solid, like I was getting like 20 bucks every 2 weeks, but I got that and some change. It should be closer to 30 hopefully. So small pickups, but hey, every little bit counts. So we're on to location 4 now, and I really probably should go to Sam's Club. Just got some gas, and we just got some product. Now we're heading to location number 4, and it's already almost 2. That sucks. But this location does pretty good, so yeah, see you guys there. Collected from 4th location. There is a card reader on there, as you guys could see, but when I purchased the route from the guy, we haven't switched over the card information over to my account yet. So I put a sticker on there saying no cards for now, but I'm wondering if maybe people are still using the card reader, because that little thing, the little sticker I put over it was kind of like peeled back to where they could scan their card. So I'm really hoping that's not the case, but I kind of think it is. I mean, it probably did like, I don't know, $40 maybe, and that's normally about a $60 to $70 location. But yeah, I'm really pushing to get the card reader over. The ball's in his court right now, so hopefully he gets that done soon, and sales will really increase once that's done. Also, another thing I need to add in is I spent $130 at Sam's Club today. Location number 5. Hopefully the filming was okay. This is a GoPro I'm using, so I can't like really, mine doesn't have a screen, it's a 3 Plus, so I just kind of shoot and aim. But yeah, that was location number 5. I'm heading to location number 6 right now. It's currently 3:17, so it looks like we'll hit up 6 locations for sure. 7 would be pushing it. some big houses. Alright, I just left location 6 and oh my gosh. It was dismissal for the students. Bro, that's the worst. It was so hectic. Oh my gosh, there were so many cars I could barely even get in. But I got in and it didn't even need any products. So it's 3:47 right now and I'm gonna try and get one more location. Just like that, 7 locations down. And it's time to head home. We'll count up all the money and I'll get you guys the totals. I'm guessing that we did probably like, I say right at 300 today. First location did $37.90. And that was a 2-week collection. First time collecting from it. The second location did $59 flat. And that was a 2-week collection. Alright, location number 3 did $34.70 after 2 weeks. Location number 4 did $46 flat. And that was a 1-week collection. Location number 5 did $53.95, and that was a 2-week collection. Location number 6, unfortunately, only did $15, which was depressing, and there's only ones, there's no coins. That was a 2-week collection. That's pretty bad. Honor boxes do better than that in a week, in like 2 days actually. Location number 7 did $34.30 after 2 weeks. And that's all of them, so now we're going to add them all up and see how much we made. Alright, so today for a grand total, we made $280.85 from 7 locations. That's, what's that divided by 7? It's about $40 a location, so the average is lower than yesterday. And I spent $130 on product. I still have a lot of product left. I've got a whole tower actually. So yeah, I have plenty of product for tomorrow. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the breakdown. And continue watching for more content. For those of you guys that watched to the end, here is what the last 3 days of my collections look like in just ones. Pretty fat stack. That's like I don't know, like $600 in ones maybe. No, probably $800 in ones. Probably $650 in ones. This keeps falling over. Okay, I'm trying so hard to keep that. And then there's some quarters there, and then oh, some quarter rolls in there and stuff.